Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about an amazing hair conditioner recipe that combines apple cider vinegar, essential oils, and base almond oil. Before you're using any of ingredients, please check if you have any allergic reaction. If you blonde, you might use 5 drops of lemon essential oil or 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon. If you brunette, don't use lemon at all. First, let's talk about the benefits of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is known for its ability to balance pH levels in the scalp, which helps to prevent dryness and dandruff and removes excess oil. It also helps to detangle hair and adds shine. It also promotes healthy hair growth and adds shine to dull hair. Fresh ginger is also a great ingredient for hair care, but also you can use just essential oils. There is no difference. It stimulates the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth and adding shine to the hair. Ylang-ylang essential oil is known for its floral scent and its ability to improve the overall health of the scalp. It can also add shine to the hair and improve its texture. Also, ylang-ylang oil is really aromatic oil, so I really do recommend it. Bergamot essential oil. This oil is known for its refreshing scent and its ability to stimulate hair growth. It also helps to reduce dandruff and improve the overall health of the scalp. Cinnamon essential oil is another great ingredient for hair care. It stimulates blood flow to the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth and adding shine to the hair, so I do really recommend that as well. In a bowl, mix together 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar and add 5 to 6 drops of each essential oil. Also, if you're using fresh lemon for blonde hair, you might use about 1 teaspoon of fresh juice. And if you're using fresh ginger instead of essential oil, you might add about 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger juice. And finally, we have almond oil. Almond oil is known for its ability to nourish and moisturize the hair, adding shine and improve the overall health of the hair. Add about 1/2 teaspoon. When your mixture is ready, just put it in a bottle and you can put it under a sink in your bathroom and keep it about 2 weeks. It's ready to go. Boil water and let it cool down to a room temperature and put about 1 liter of water. That will be enough for long hair like I have. And before you put a mixture, you have to shake it really well. And on 1 liter of water, you will need 2 tablespoons of mixture. Once you add your 2 tablespoons into water, mix it really well and you're ready to take a shower. Wash your hair with the shampoo what you usually use and rinse it off. You might apply your favorite hair conditioner and never apply hair conditioner on your roots. Rinse it off and squeeze water of your hair just to make it a little bit dry, and apply the mixture from your roots and working your way down to your ends. You also may give your ends a little bit of bath. It helps your ends to breathe in the life, and just apply rest of it again on your roots and work your way down to your ends. And don't forget, we do not rinse the mixture off of your hair. In my case, I just dry with a towel and then I brush my hair with a special brush for wet hair. If you don't have special brush for your wet hair, don't do that please, because it damages your hair really bad. If you use oil for your hair, you may apply it. I just apply a little bit from the middle of my hair and working down to my ends. This time I blow dry my hair to see the result, and I really enjoy it. You can use this conditioner once or twice a week depending on your hair type and needs, and it is a great way to nourish and condition your hair while also promoting healthy hair growth. Give it a try and see the result for yourself. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.